Have you ever encountered these disaster scenes while dealing with your desktop CNC? For example, heavy tool marks, poor surface finish, and rapid tool wear. Actually, this might not be a machine problem. It's likely a mismatch between your tooling and your parameters. Today, we are testing 4 mainstream materials to show you how to scientifically tune the D1S to achieve industrial-grade finished results. Aluminum is the touchstone for desktop machines. The difficulty lies in its stickiness. If chip evacuation is poor, aluminum chips will weld themselves onto the cutting edge. Tool selection: 3 flute carbide and mill for aluminum. 3 flutes balance strength and chip evacuation space, maintaining high dynamic balance with the D1S brushless spindle. Core parameters: Pro tip: use the high RPM of the D1S combined with a larger step over to achieve effective material removal. Key point: assist the process with a little cutting fluid or strong air blasting to strictly prevent ray cutting caused by aluminum chips. The core goals for acrylic are no chipped edges, no melting marks, and high transparency. Tool selection: single flute spiral bit. A single flute has a massive chip gullet, allowing it to whisk away chips rapidly before heat builds up, preventing the acrylic from melting. Core parameters: Pro tip: the key is sharp edges and fast movement. Feeding to slowly creates friction heat, leading to melted edges. The D1S ball screws ensure smooth paths even at high feed rates, avoiding physical chatter marks. Pattern wood is mainly used for crafts and precision molding. The texture is uniform, but it generates a lot of dust. Tool selection: 2 flute solid carbide flat and mill. Core parameters: Pro tip: you must install the D1S's included dust brush for extraction during machining. This prevents fine dust from entering the rails and compromising accuracy, while also preventing dust buildup from hindering tool heat dissipation. PCB processing is the ultimate test of the D1S's repeatability. Tool selection: corn cob and mill. Core parameters: Pro tip: the key to clear traces and no short circuits is Z-axis zeroing. We strongly recommend using the D1S Auto Probe block and performing surface mapping before cutting. Even tiny warps in the PCB board can cause fine pads to be torn off without leveling. Summary: achieving high-quality machining on the D1S is essentially the combination of machine rigidity, rational tool paths, precise parameters. Want to challenge hard materials? Reduce the step down and utilize the stability of the D1S screw drive for multiple passes. Want to improve efficiency? Fully utilize the high RPM range of the 250W brushless spindle. If you run into any other machining issues, or if you want the complete parameter chart, feel free to leave a comment below. D1S, giving every DIY idea an industrial-grade texture.